do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can smack it, you can grip it, you can go down and kiss it. And every time he